In this video, we're designing a logo for one of the most talented and talked about college football players in the world right now, the creative, the electrifying Shedeur Sanders. Let's get it. Tell me what projects y'all are working on right now. And let me know how you're becoming a better graphic designer and just in general, whatever else you got going on. Alright, so when I'm designing a logo, I like to think of 3 to 5 adjectives to describe the brand that I'm working on. And with Shedeur, I would describe him as flashy, creative, prime time, professional, well-spoken. He's electric. Anytime he has the ball, anything can happen. The same with Travis Hunter. My objective for this logo, it needs to be easily recognizable. It needs to be able to work on black backgrounds, white backgrounds, lighter and darker shades of background. It needs to be simple but effective, you know, like the Nike logo. It has not changed. It's been the same since forever. So when I'm creating logos, that's how I think. I've already started sketching them, so let's get in there and start designing it. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a brief intermission. This is where I'm at so far. I'm liking the way it's turning out. I like it. I like it a lot. your boy doing his thing right now. No, but I'm feeling it. I think that has potential. I was working on the other logos. I'm probably gonna cut that out. This one, it came out horrible, awful, terrible, trash, garbage. It looks better as a sketch. We're gonna leave it as a sketch. RIP. Tried this one. It was Alright guys, here is the second progression of that Shedeur Sanders logo we've been working on. It's coming together, dog. I fuck with it heavy. As you see, I hit the 5 in here. Wow, right? Then there's another one in here. But it didn't come out. It's alright. You know what I mean? But I really like it. I want to see if I can play with it in a sense that I can bring another 5 in there. Or not. An S. I said 5, bro. I said 5. I meant S. I meant an S, not a 5. Okay. So there's an S in here, right here. I'm thinking about straightening this line out because I don't really like it curving. It's the only curved line in here. Why is it in here? I don't know. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about it so far, man. I'm really feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's abstract as hell, but it could be used, and we could fill this in right here and make it different colors within the logo, which is really, really dope. I like that part of it. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Okay. Didn't mean for this to happen. So I created a logo random, another version of the logo. Very abstract, very different. I kind of like it. I need to fix some of these lines and stuff, but I figure I could do that at the end. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this version. You know what I mean? Hold on now. What are we talking about? What are we saying? You know, you got the SS on there. Dual S's. Dual S's. Only issue, man. Something's off with this. This should be longer. Like, it should be out here like that, right? Right? Or do we cut it off and just, I don't know. It looks off. It looks weird, but I kind of like it. It just needs some work. So I'm gonna keep messing with it, and y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments section about this abstract version. As you see, I like to say multiples of everything just because it helps me keep everything in line. I know it looks like crazy in here. That's only because I like to have pieces everywhere. That way I can go back if I forget to save something or I forget to get something. I can go back and okay, it's over here. You know, it's over there. I don't have to recreate anything. It's already here. I like to save multiples of everything pretty much because I've had issues where things were supposed to save and they didn't save, and then I had to start over. That's why I do that. All right, guys, another progression. I like it. I've been liking the whole thing. I don't know why. I've been liking the whole progress, the whole process. Feels good to get back in the lab, but I feel like it's a lot going on. But you can always just remove the triangle and just hit them with that. You know what I mean? Or get rid of that and just bow. So many things we could do with this. Hold on, I'm about to copy this and save it. So many things. Hopefully Shedeur sees it. Hopefully he likes it. Hopefully Dion sees it. Shout out to Dion. Love you guys. Been watching you. Yeah, hopefully y'all like this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, guys. So this is the final logo. I lied. I kept working on it. I thought I was done. I thought I was satisfied. Then I started looking at it, started picking it apart, and you know how that goes. I just kept working on it. So this is the final logo. This one right here. I promise you, I'm done. I'm done tinkering with it, okay? As you see, we went with the classic black and gold just to match the colors of Colorado. And I also felt like it matched the brand. You know, it was strong. It was, you know, gold represents affluence and money and, you know, just all around luxury. And I feel like that's what Shedeur Sanders brand is going to be, or it is what it is. It's luxury. It's high maintenance. It's high quality. And so hope you guys like the logo. Hope you like the video. Thank you guys for making it this far. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with a family member or a friend. I'm gonna see y'all on Saturday with a new video. Y'all stay cool. Peace.